Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to class 5 subject EVS 1 topic revision. So today students we are going to cover up the revision we will do the revision of the topics that we have already done. So let us see the topics. Let us solve our own problems. Public facilities and my school life. Maps are companions. The topics the questions that I have selected for the revision is either from the textbook or the questions that are behind at the end of the chapter. So textbook reading is very much important. Let us begin with fill in the blanks. Turning a blind eye towards problems make them dash. Options are worse, easy. The answer is worse. Dash method is used to show the unevenness of landforms on a map. Options are contour line, layer tinting. The answer is contour line. It is important to be able to identify dash. Options are solutions, issues. The answer is issues. Moving on to the next one. The well-being of a village is affected by dash. Options are cooperation, constant disputes. Answer is constant disputes. Peaceful discussions increases dash in the village. Options are harmony, hatred. Answer is harmony. We must use facilities dash. Answer is irresponsibly, responsibly. So the answer is responsibly. The school is our dash outside our house. Options are world, house. So the answer is world. Moving on to the next one. The dash has a role in the development of a school. Options are society, community. Answer is community. We like our school just as we like our dash. School, home. The answer is home. Moving on to the next. Dash is a fundamental right of every child. Options are illiteracy, education. So the answer is education. Moving on to the next question. Here you have to identify the signs and symbols and write their name in the boxes. So the first one is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Next symbol is of Doordarshan. This is the sign of toilet. This is the sign of hospital. Here this sign symbol shows that it is a school ahead. And this symbol shows that it is there in your textbook. This is known as Bal Bharti. Now next you have to identify and write that each sign and symbols what it means. So first we will go line by line. First one is already done, that is post office. Second one is lighthouse. Third one fort. Fourth one battlefield. Fifth one railway. Sixth one well. Seventh one spring. Let us see what are they. They are sign or a symbol. So post office is a sign. Lighthouse symbol. Fort sign. Battlefield symbol. Railway symbol. Well sign. Spring sign. Moving on to the next. Here we come to the end of the first part of our revision.